In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your header in Wix, a straightforward and essential skill for beginners who want to personalize their Wix website. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step to ensure your website stands out with your unique brand identity. First, make sure you're on your Wix website editor page. This is the central hub where you'll manage and customize your entire site. If you're not already there, head over to your Wix account, select the site you want to edit, and click on the Edit Site button. Once you're in the editor, the next task is to click on the Media option. This section is where all your media files are managed and stored. It's essential for uploading the visual content that will make your site visually appealing and engaging. You'll find the Media button typically located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a plethora of options related to images, videos, and more. Now, look for the Upload Media button and click on it. This action will prompt options for adding new media from various sources. For our purpose today, you're going to upload the logo directly from your computer, so select the Upload from Computer choice. It's located right there in the drop-down from the Upload Media button. Next, a File Manager window will pop up. This is where you'll select your logo file. Browse through your files and click on the logo banner you want to use. Ensure that your logo is saved in a compatible format, such as JPEG or PNG, for the best quality and compatibility. Once selected, the file will start uploading to your Wix media library. After the logo uploads, it's time to add it to your page. You'll see an Add to Page button. Click on it. This will place your logo directly onto your web page, where you can see it and begin adjustments. Now, click on the logo banner itself in the editor. You might have to gently drag it into place by clicking and holding the image and moving it to your website's header section. The header is a prime spot since it's often the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. To perfectly fit your logo in the header, you might need to resize it. To do this, look for the small circle handles around the logo. Click and drag these handles to resize your logo, making sure it looks proportional and visually fitting with the rest of your header content. This slight adjustment can make all the difference in ensuring that your brand's logo makes a professional impact. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your Wix website header. Taking the time to follow these steps ensures your site not only looks professional, but also reflects your unique brand identity. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to watch more of our tutorials to continue mastering your Wix website skills.